This year's theme for BC Heritage Week is Stir the Pot. This led us to search our holdings for recipes to try and share with you. This recipe caught my eye because it was so short and simple. You'll notice that there are no detailed instructions, just a cup of chicken, pint of chicken broth, cup of sweet cream, salt and pepper, and the yolks of 3 hard-boiled eggs. There are no heating instructions, so my best guess was to add it all to a pot and bring it to a boil, holding the yolks until the end, adding them as sort of a garnish. The recipe can be found in The Real Homekeeper, A Perpetual Honeymoon for the Vancouver Bride from 1913.